Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls, they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life.
Guys, it's Sunday.
September 2nd.
Yeah, it's oh, thank you. I almost forgot what I was doing. But yeah, still at Fluffy. Well, first of all, I didn't even end off the vlog yesterday. So we left Wonderland. I drove myself home. Got some stuff. Came to Fluffy's last night. Because her sister doesn't drive on the highway yet, so I drove. We got home pretty fast. Yeah, we got home pretty fast. It wasn't that far from what I remember driving all the way to this country is, but yeah, it was a pretty decent, okay ride. And then Fluffy decided she wanted to go to the lake. In Toronto here in Canada, we have lakes. We don't have beaches or oceans. We have lakes. That's our water. So yeah, we decided we were gonna have a picnic by the lake. So that's kind of what we're doing right now.
Because it's not like it's wet anyways, right?
No, that should be fine. So we're just getting everything ready. You know, we're being wives and mothers in the making. Let me show you guys what's on the menu for today. We did so good. Like, everybody left us in charge. And they think we're not really that intelligent, but we're actually very intelligent. Why'd you throw away the chicken gravy? Or the chicken water? So we got some chicken and wedges in the oven. This is not ours, but you know, we could have brought this if we wanted to. We have some bruschetta flatbread that we made. We have some cucumbers here as salad. You know, we have another thing of wedges that we made. Don't mind the container that it's in. We made it, but we just have these containers from the barbecue. You know, so we're just using all of them. Yeah. We had them out because we had all the stuff out from like earlier, but then we went on the road to go get some more stuff, so everything's kind of like cold now. But we're gonna get ready to go out and do all of that stuff. And then I made some like turkey, smoked ham, and chicken sandwiches with Havarti cheese. Yeah, honey ham with Havarti cheese. I love Havarti cheese. If you guys love cheese, try Havarti cheese. It's just so creamy and it's just really, really, really nice. And if you can go to like your
local,
what do you call it? Not even necessarily local, but
Walmart.
If you can, not even just Walmart, but like if you can go to like your butcher or something, like where you can get cheese like sliced for you, get it like sliced out nice and everything. Like it's really a really nice cheese. Like I love cheese. Havarti.
The thing is ready.
Oh, and I'm gonna make some tea because Gas had taken me out front yesterday. So I'm gonna need some tea. And then we got chips. Sour cream and onion is bomb. I don't know if you guys get this in the States, but sour cream and onion is bomb. And my favorite, Black Forest cake for dessert for the win. So it's gonna be lit. And we got some alcohol and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Because we're too sober right now for the long weekend. Way too sober a little bit. I just put a breezer in my cup. And yeah. And then we'll just see what the rest of the night takes us. We don't know yet, but that's how it goes. But this long weekend, at least I have footage. Because Canada Day long weekend, I ain't got shit.
Except for the water fight.
Yeah, except for the water fight. So, that's what we're up to. Right now, have a cup and some sugar and a tea bag. I've never been here before. I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Don't stress my wife though.
She doesn't know how to treat her guests. This is probably.
You're not a guest?
Yeah. So we come to the park for a picnic, right?
And my camera.
First thing, we forgot the chicken. We forgot the most important part of the meal. We have all these chicken bags. We have no food. Like we have no chicken.
Candace. No, we have.
Then we come to the park, and there's all these bugs. We can't.
Candace, get back here. Candace, come. This is all things happen. Come, Candace.
There's all these bugs.
Candace, let's go.
We don't know what to do right now. We don't know what to do.
Where are we going? We're walking across this lake. But that's in the backyard too, the lake.
No, sir. Can't walk, can't so. You can't even talk due to all the flight them out here. So, no man, look at Foundation, girl. Look how much fly over there, son. That's great. Honey, you said, are we having the picnic or not?
Okay, come. Let's get some pictures.
Show them we really had a picnic. Ayo.
Let's get some pictures and go home. Okay, so I'm not going home yet. We should put the stuff in the car. Over here, it's not so bad over here. What's wrong with over here? No, I said it's not so bad. Where do you guys want to go in? Good times.
I can't believe we left the friggin' food.
You guys want me to go get it or what?
What do you mean? That's the main part of the meal.
Set up a table and I'll be back.
All right, Mom. Start of it all. We got our salads.
What happened to the Is that it in the bag? Is the cucumber?
Cucumber. No, that means it fell out of the bag.
Oh, it's in the car?
Yeah, because it was on top. Wait. No, yeah, because it was on top.
Okay.
Not good. Anyway, so this is set up so far. As I was saying, we have our macaroni salad, we have our coleslaw, we have our sandwiches, we have our bruschetta flatbread, plates, cups, napkin, cutlery. See, we're a little cooler here. Yeah, we have straw. We have straws, okay? Yes. We have a couple breezers in there and stuff like that. There's alcohol, and we have some alcohol and other substances in there and stuff, you know what I'm saying?
Put some of the thing in mine because I didn't put any in there.
Put some of the what in yours?
The raw.
Oh.
Yes.
Look at the setup though. Like, okay, it's lit. All we need is the chicken.
Okay, could you?
Wow.
The only
Look
thing
at
is the
us.
main course.
Yeah, the chicken and the chicken and the wedges. That's all.
Oh,
That's
she
the
should bring
thing.
ketchup. There's no ketchup.
That's
I
it.
didn't even bring ketchup packet.
And is here.
You know that part is huge. You know I thought this blanket was huge. Yeah, I thought it was bigger. I meant to tell you, you should have, but it's too much for me. Yeah, I was too much.
The food is here. Look at this. Can you guys imagine if we were gonna have a picnic from scratch? Go there, goodie. Summer is done, you guys. Leaving the lake. Ooh, it's so pretty. Wow, that is so pretty. But yeah, we're leaving the lake. Summer 2018, you were good to me. You were good. What could we leave? Yeah, I know.
Like the beach.
Yeah. Oh, girl. Oh, all right. I don't know. You must have packed it up because it was on the thing, the blanket. If she folded up the blanket, then everything is packed somewhere. So yeah, that's it to summer. Toodles! You guys, we found an ocean.
A lake.
It is so peaceful over here, yeah? It's very... I wish we seen it in the day, but it's so nice.
It's beautiful right now too, though.
Can't really see over there. It's better. Oh, so you get all the nice pictures.
Well, if you want.
No, I mean, my phone is not quality like that.
I'll send it to you.
No, just show it in the camera. Oh, Lord. Ooh, pretty. Now, for real, farewell, summer.